Hello and welcome to my review of Internaxx. This is a company based out of Luxembourg that offers, really it's a full service bank. So you do have ways to take out loans, lines of credit, that type of thing. But they also have trading, and this Luxembourgish company, of course, offers quite a bit of markets around the world. Roughly 20, and therefore you can trade stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, those type of things like in London and New York. They do not offer other assets, so it's clearly a stock trading type firm. And trading isn't even the right word. It's probably more like investing. So with that, when you look at it, the site, you can see the smart portfolios. They will build them for you that you could just invest. Trading account here, it's multi-currency. That's the one thing that helps. But of course, that helps because you're trading in different markets. You can see mutual funds, stocks, ETFs, margin trading, and personal loans backed by your investments. This is not a short-term traders type of brokerage firm. You can see that that's basically what the snapshot of your account looks like. You do have tools and research, so there is a lot of research. The web-based trading platform, really not a lot to look at. Again, this is not an active day trading platform. This is, an investment type of situation. So if you are an investor, then this might be the place for you. They are protected by the Luxembourg Deposit Guarantee Fund, so that gives protection of your account. And therefore you up to 100,000 euros. But as you can see, they are part of Swiss Quote, which of course has 23.8 billion in client assets as of the end of last year in 2018. It's based in Luxembourg, so that of course helps as well. This is also, one of the things that they offer is they also have Morningstar Research. So if you are looking for, like a longer term retirement investment or to build wealth, then this might be the place for you. The one problem I do have is the pricing is a bit steep. Trading account UK and US markets from 14.95 euros, which is a bit high. That being said, though, if you're only placing a few trades here and there for like a longer term investment account, it's really not a big issue. It's a great investment place, but day trading is just going to cost you way too much. Lots of research though. So you get a stocks research, for example, and they give you, a scanner for selecting stocks, analyst reports, those types of things. So it's a good longer term traders type, and if you just want to like buy things, forget it. Just be exposed to markets around the world. That's one of the major advantages because you can invest in Germany, but you can invest in America, you can invest in London, and so on. So clearly that is a huge advantage. Again, though, it's going to take the right trader, or I should say investor, to pick this brokerage firm. If you're looking to scalp the markets, this isn't going to be the place for you.